Like a short video for this. I just like saw there was fog here, so let's do that again. Look. Look at that, guys. There was fog. We got the fog. Look at that. That's awesome. I love it. Look at it. Look. It shoots out fog. So it's like one of those fire-breathing dragons I just told you about. Yeah, it's kind of cool. Wow. I want to see if it actually walks all the way. Let's see if it walks to the other rock over there. I like how there's a foot of the remote. Like that. It walks. I like how you do this. That's awesome. That is awesome. And look, here's the fog again. Look, you can see a little bit though. Let's do it again. There's it. Well, it walks. Well, and that was a firework again. People are doing dangerous fireworks again. I don't know why, but people are just doing stupid stuff. They should not be using the dangerous fireworks. Wow. Oh wait, it's stuck. There's a crack there. I don't know why, but let's see if it works. There we go. Look, this. I want to continue walking. See if it walks. Another firework. I keep hearing fireworks. You can hear the music from here. Look at this. Yeah, man, that's what I'm talking about. The fog, man. I want to see it turn. Is it stuck again? Stupid paint. Well, there we go. Maybe because it's not like a kitchen. The kitchen floor is like so better than this. Let's see it again. Let's see it again. There we go. Yeah, so it's a cool toy. I actually like it. So awesome. Really cool. And yeah, guys, subscribe. This is part 2. That was part 2 of the Godzilla walking figure. This time it's with fog. Okay, guys, subscribe. If you're new to the channel, subscribe. If you are watching this video, then just subscribe. Yep. That's all I have to say. Happy 4th of July, everybody. So, subscribe, guys. Bye. See you next time.